This is how to access only photos and videos you have on your OneDrive account. First is to open your browser. You can use Google Chrome, you can use Microsoft Edge or any other browser. But here, let me work with Microsoft Edge. So I will double click on it for it to open. As the browser opens, visit OneDrive.com and log in. Once you log in successfully, you will be landed on the home. This is the home icon. If you are using Google Chrome for this, the interface may be different. It comes with text telling you what each of these icons stands for. All right, but this is Microsoft Edge. So the way it's designed here is a little bit different. But if you understand icons, you understand what it means. So click on this My Files tab. Okay. On clicking on this My Files tab, there are two options here. We have photos and you have files. Files is usually selected because it groups all your files, including documents, any other type of file, Excel, spreadsheet, and the rest in different folders you created, or even have them without putting them inside folders, depending on how you organize your account. Then click on these photos. Now, clicking on photos will display all photos and videos you have previously uploaded on your OneDrive account. All right. So let's say this is what you need. This is a picture. So I can click on this for it to be selected. Then, if I want to download it into my PC, I will click on download. Okay. It should be saved in my PC. Listen, this is very important because I used this approach yesterday. It saved me. I was on files, all right, on the files option, and I was trying to trace a particular photo, graphic design I saved. I thought I saved in a folder, but I didn't find it. I tried, I didn't find it until I saw this photos tab in the My Files section, and I clicked on that, and that helped me to scroll down until I got to the picture I needed, and then clicked on it, click on the checkbox, and downloaded it. So this is a simple way to do this. Okay, if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you, and see you some other time.